Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm the Natural One and this is another garden update video. So you guys, this is the garlic, and as you can see it has snow on top and it's snowing currently as I was filming, and I believe the garlic is ready to be harvested, you know, so I think I might do that soon. Alright, moving on to the mint. And I'm really hoping that it comes back. Now, it's supposed to come back, so I'm hoping that it really does. So you guys, while I'm out here, I'm going to give you a quick garden tour. Now, I always like to prep when it's cold because you know me, I don't like bugs. And around this time, the bugs ain't out, so I'm not being bothered. So I got rid of the tomatoes and the corn that was in there, the spaghetti squash, some of the dill. Now, I believe the dill was supposed to grow back, so I think I left maybe one or two. But the radishes, all that stuff is gone. And that was the, what was that? I forgot what was in that pot. But anyway, it's gone. Now, I did leave the kale just to see if it was going to grow back. So, but yeah. So you guys, how I cut down on the cost of gardening is by reusing the soil. I'm mixing the new soil with the old soil, and I also added some fertilizer. So that's a little tip if you want to learn how to save some money. Now moving on to my rosemary, you guys, I'm so excited. They finally sprouted. I'm also propagating the rosemary in the soil because I want the rosemary quicker. Now that was my jade plant that I killed 10 times. I'm trying to grow back. But anyway, you guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will really help you guys, and I will see you in the next video coming soon.